Previously, on Roses and Daggers.
Better not wear this in town, I beg. Otherwise, Adeka will bring down a stone. He says I should wear this after the knocking. He wants everybody in town to know that he's taking very good care of me, oh.
Don't worry. I'll bring it back as soon as I'm done.
Don't even wash it and dry it on your compound, oh. You just bring it back to me, eh? I'll wash it myself, okay?
What do you say, let's get to know each other better?
You know he stopped.
Stopped what?
He doesn't touch me anymore.
Oh!
I confronted him about it and he wants us to have sex till after the wedding.
That guy is perfect indeed.
Are you hearing me? I'm not getting any.
That accounts for your anxiety.
Why do you want to help me?
Maybe I'm very kind.
I'll think about it.
Okay.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, I have to take this. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How was your night?
Restful. Yours?
It was okay. Hey, I've been thinking. I know I've been on the edge lately, this past few weeks. Probably because of the wedding. I'm sorry for getting so hard on you, okay?
Yeah, look, it's fine, Val.
No, it's not. You've been so calm about it. Thank you for not fighting back. I'll get better, I promise.
I'll get better too. I promise.
I love you.
Me too.
Hey, listen, there's this other reason why I called you. Your mom is getting Kojo Inchi to come and perform at the reception. Isn't that great?
Yep. It's great. Sounds great.
Okay, let me leave you to do work now. Call me when you can.
Will do.
Stay safe.
I will. You too.
Is everything all right? Joshua.
I have to go.
What happened?
Nothing happened. It's just... Look, it's morning. I was supposed to have left earlier. I have work and appointments back in Accra.
I understand. But you can have some breakfast before you go.
I'm sorry, Ceci. Look, it was great to see you again. But I really have to go.
Something happened.
Nothing happened.
Okay, would you like to say hello to Grandma?
Please say hello to her for me, okay?
Just to be real, tell you how I feel. Love can kill. I just wanna be free. No time to beat. Show me what you see. I feel crazy many times with my love. It's not easy knowing that we've got flaws. The road is rough, and we got to be tough. One last river, soon to cross. I don't mind loving you again. I don't care.
Yes. Can you please get my books? Yes, all of them. Oh, she just entered. Yeah, your dad is on the line. Are you not going to the office today?
No, I asked for my leave till after the wedding. Hello, Daddy. Yes, I've sent them to you. No, I chose gold and the red shoes and the earrings. Can you please check if they have the black ones as well? Okay. I sent it to Muti. Dad? Where's Muti? Is he with you? He hasn't been home lately. You're covering out for him. Yeah, she's still here. Okay, but when are you back? I have to fit my clothes before the wedding, please. Okay. I love you too, Daddy. I'm giving the phone to Mommy now. Okay.
Hi, Malik. No, I've just been helping Valerie with some wedding stuff. Yes. Okay, bye.
You're not going to work as well?
No, time for Mama duties.
Oh.
I've ignored it for too long. So tell Mama what you want, and it shall get it done.
That's really awesome. Are you serious?
Yes, sit.
Really, really, really awesome.
No.
Tell me about it.
Hey, I was coming to your place.
So,
Here. You said I shouldn't wash it, so I didn't.
I'm not even thinking about this now. What happened? Did he come?
Yes.
And
We stayed up for a while, had a chat, and he brought me a phone so we can chat more.
where is it? Can I see it?
I'll come to your place later. and show it to you. I'm having a bad headache now.
Ceci, you're so lucky. I can't believe this. Did he propose?
No.
Why? What is he waiting for?
Well, I guess it's still a little early.
He would better hurry up. Because I've already started bragging about it in town.
Dada wedalo.
Yo, magbeto.
Barakuodo.
Ceci, I'm going home. I'll be expecting to hear everything.
Don't worry.
I'll be
come
waiting.
over. I'll come over.
Okay. Dada medeku mejolo.
Deviolo. Ceci. Ceci. That man is not free to pursue you.
Then why did he come?
Has he made any promises to you?
No.
See. So what do you hope for? That on his next visit, and God knows how long that will take, he will come and profess his love to you? Huh? How long can you go on like this? You need to forget that man.
Mom? Hello?
Hey! Anita didn't tell me you were coming. I would have prepared your cocoyam special.
That's because I didn't know he was coming.
Arrested? What for?
Your phone has been off.
Oh, that's true. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Valerie, everything that happened was plotted. She didn't get pregnant by accident. She just wanted you out of the way. Try to have Joshua murdered last night.
What? Joshua, why?
Relax, you will understand everything soon. Someone is going to explain it.
Is everything okay?
I have missed you.
I miss you too. So much.
I miss this.
I miss you too.
Did Dr. Clark say that we could you know what I mean?
We can only cuddle.
All right, I'll manage the cuddle.
Sure. So?
How is she?
She's fine. We missed you.
I miss her too.
She misses you more. We can't wait.
Yeah, I can't wait.
I guess she can't either.
C'est tout.
Babe,
Hmm?
won't you go and take a shower?
Yeah. Thank you. I'm up. Why was your phone off?
I just wanted a quiet moment.
Okay. Who is that?
Babe,
Mm-hmm.
why did you save this on your phone? Why do you still have it on your phone?
Here. Deleted.
Thank you.
We're good to go. Have you liaised with the manager?
Yes, sir.
No. They shall allow legal to handle it before it takes a different turn. Yeah, sure. I sent a formal report before I left. So they should take immediate action. Tomorrow. But before then, set restrictions on his access to operations. Yeah, before he's cleared by legal MD. Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Hello? Hello? Oh, damn. Hey, babe, can I use your phone?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Are you sure you have enough airtime?
Sure, I do.
What is this?
What is this?
That is what I asked.
This might be a joke from one of my silly social media groups.
Those pictures were taken by your phone. It's your phone's camera. Annie, answer me. My patience is running thin here.
Babe, something is wrong. I don't know where these pictures are from. I don't even know this guy from Adam. You've got to trust me. Babe, please, let's talk about this.
What the hell is there to talk about?
Help me. Help me find who is doing this to me.
What's going on here?
Mom, please stay out of this.
Mom, there is somebody who has been sending me messages. Very confusing messages. I feel the person is mistaking me for someone else. Because this whole thing doesn't make sense to me.
Sure, it doesn't make sense.
Zach, you know she's not supposed to.
Mom, I said please stay out of this. Please.
My dear, what's going on here?
I don't know, Mom. I have no idea. I tried calling back, but the person wouldn't pick up. So I blocked the number. Whoever it is used another number and I didn't know what to do, so I just switched off the phone.
Anita, relax. Relax.
Mom, look at this and tell me not to get upset.
What is this?
Ask her.
But if her friends send her these pictures, all you have to do is to reprimand her not to receive such pictures.
Mom,
as a married woman.
Her friend didn't send her the pictures. She took the pictures with her phone.
Ask your mom. I didn't even go anywhere. Where could I have taken these pictures?
So how did your phone take the pictures?
That's what I'm trying to say. I don't know.
Zach, wait. Maybe we can fix this. Anita, who did you give this phone to?
No one, Mom. No one.
When was this taken? Can you find out?
These pictures were taken yesterday.
Anita didn't go anywhere yesterday. She was home the whole day.
This phone has been off since yesterday. And I placed it in the wardrobe. I haven't even touched it.
Zach, I think there's something going on here. Someone is trying to set your wife up.
So you want to tell me that the phone took the pictures by itself? Mom, the Holy Spirit didn't come here to take the pictures with her phone. So tell me, who took the pictures? Tell me!
take it anymore. Time to strike and score. Time and chance waits for no one. I must be strong and fight. Life is hard, but I can bite. Take it or leave it, I am just me. And if I make it, His name be praised. I take the risk, cannot be erased. That's the way life goes on, baby. I wanna be ready. Oh yeah, man, come to my sissy. Hey, your brow, quaint to a name, be baby.